Today we're going to be talking to you about iMovie and teaching you how to use it.
First you need to press the add button and then you have to press trailer because that's what we're doing today.
You can pick anything you want, but we're choosing retro today.
Then we have to press create in the top right hand corner to create our trailer.
And then you can choose anything you like, but we're going to change the name. We're going to change it to the iMovie or just something like that. We'll decide.
Then press storyboard in the right hand side.
And then you can change pictures and what it says on it.
Thank you for listening and watching our video.
Hope you enjoyed. Bye. Now watch the rest of our how-to videos. Thank you.
Thank you for watching and listening. Hope you enjoyed. Please hit that subscribe button
and put the notification bells on.